That's a sweet ass car, holy. What's going on?
What's going on, boys?
What is up, YouTube? Oh, it's very nice out right now. It's a little windy. We're gonna be cruising down to a meet. We haven't been to a meet in forever. We're with my boy, SMD6R on the ZX10, faded S1K on the S1000. Small little self-promotion. Merch is up. By the time this video's up, at least, merch will be up. So make sure you guys head over to the Instagram. The link for my website will also be in the bio. Make sure you guys head over there. Check that all out. Cop yourself something. We are doing a giveaway for the first 50 orders. Oh my lord. My quick shifter is still having issues. We replaced my stator, my regulator, my rectifier. It's still just giving me issues. So we have an appointment with a dealership. We're gonna go and just get that completely reset, and I'm hoping that fixes the issue. I've read a lot of stuff saying that usually becomes the problem is you just need a reset. I do know it's really annoying because I'm used to the quick shifter now and it just doesn't want to work, so I have to like manually do it. It's not horrible, I guess, just not convenient. But we'll be on the highway for like 99% of this ride, so I mean we won't have to get out of 6th gear. It's definitely really annoying. Oh, he's coming at it. It is a little bit windy, so hopefully the mic isn't picking up all this wind noise right now. Both of these aren't running a plate right now. I'm the only one with the plate, so we're gonna see how this ride goes, honestly. I have honestly no idea. Yeah, he doesn't give a fuck, I'm gonna be honest. I don't have a chrome visor on right now. I have a tinted one. So seeing these turns with the sun straight in my eyes, bro. Oh my lord. No, it's bright. I can't see. Ah, there you go. Oh yeah, my boy adjusted his chain. Shit seems to be working better for him now. Yo. For them! For them! Let's get the reactions! Oh yeah, pull it out! Yeah! There you go! Yo, we need to learn to wheelie like they did. Let me tell you. What is that noise? Yo, you heard that shit too? Oh, was it the car? Oh, okay. It's got the shit out of me, yo. Like the sunset's absolutely stunning, but holy, I can't see. Dude, the next exit is far as fuck, I think. Oh, dude is... Hey, he might be late. I don't know where the next exit is for him.
He might be late?
Yeah, he might have to go all the way to...
There's no shot.
I have no idea. Is that an exit?
I think so.
Hopefully. Oh, yeah, he did. I didn't realize there was another one. Wow. He's good, he's good. Oh, that is not... Yo, Loki, I thought that was faded. That's my bad. That's on me. I don't know if he's even here yet. Oh yeah, I can already tell this is gonna be. Yeah, that meet was pretty bad, I'm gonna be honest. It was fun to get out and get content, but besides that, yeah, no, the meet was pretty bad, unfortunately. We kind of expected it to be just because of the area it's in. No, 95% of the meet just consisted of people just revving the absolute piss out of everything. Bikers and cars both, so... Yeah, and then the property manager came out and told everybody just to stop doing that. I saw it and it reminded me, oh, shit, a McLaren? Damn! 570, dude, that's so clean. That's a sweet ass car, holy shit. What's going on?
What's going on, boys? Hell, you guys got cameras and shit? Hell yeah.
This is so nice. 570, yes?
Yeah.
Dude.
You guys got Insta?
I do.
You guys got any meets around here or anything? Is your bike needs cool ones?
I would type it in. I might have gloves on. It's just pure_RR.
Dude, that's fire. Dude, you guys' bikes are sick, dude.
I appreciate that.
Oh yeah, bro. You know what yours is, bro? What's your name? is insane. Dude, you always win it.
The red one?
I like both of them, all three.
I called you over. I wanted to get a picture because I thought this was like the same.
Same color.
That's what I'm saying.
Get a picture of
Yeah? You want?
Here, let me
You want to park? That's my girlfriend. I'll tell her to move the Malibu. You want to park?
Yeah.
Can you move the Malibu? He's gonna park right here. Thank you.
Holy shit, that thing's crazy. Do I need to move my clamp shit?
No, you're good.
Yeah, where's your key?
In my bike, probably. Yo, the doors go up. I'm geeked.
Yeah, bro, come park it in the front. That'll be sick.
Right here?
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh, dude, that's so cool. How many cc's is it?
This one's 1,000. They're all 1,000.
Yeah, I've seen those on like rails and TikToks and shit.
Yeah.
Those headlights, dude.
No, I love the headlights.
Oh, dude, that's so cool.
That's so sick, dude. W owner, honestly.
I do sales. I think you should back up just a little more low key.
Back it up. Let me know when to stop.
Yeah, you can get it pretty close. I don't care, yeah.
I'm scared because I can't pay for a bumper, so.
Yeah, that's probably good right there, I'd say. Like, dude, your bike's the same as mine. It's so
Yeah.
in the light, it was so sick.
No, we were just over at the meet right here.
Oh, there was a meet over here?
It was so lame, dude. You didn't miss out on anything.
Oh, really? Oh, my dude, this is so really? I heard about it. 911. Oh, dude, can you turn your headlights on?
I got you.
Oh, dude, that's so cool. Clean as fuck.
That's so sick, dude.
This is like the most random accidental collapse.
It's so sick. I appreciate you coming over.
Oh, yeah, dude, I'm glad you waved me over. I was just about to leave. I would freaking kill myself on this, dude. I'm
No.
like, dude, it would be over.
They're a blast. Can I look in the interior?
Yeah, go ahead.
I appreciate it. That's so sick, dude. I don't know, the Malibu kind of tops it.
Oh my gosh, that is Alright, light it up.
We'll race for pinks. It's the only way I can afford one of these right now. See ya, thank you. Oh, I came.
You gotta move it a little more.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize I was that much in the middle. Alright, we got some gas. Met a really cool dude in a 570. Super sick. Now we're gonna go and cruise and get some food. Honestly, what a crazy turn of events. The meet was so bad, dude. But then we just went and grabbed some gas and saw a sick, super sick car. Yeah, it's a bit chilly out. It's like, funny enough, I think it's like 55 to 60 degrees, give or take. It's still so cold out right now, though. We got about, we got a 29-minute drive to food. So let's fast forward to an actually more interesting part of the video. I don't want you guys sitting here just watching me do 80 miles an hour on the freeway. I hope that's not that got pulled over up there. Nope, it was a biker, not though. Scared the f out of me. You missed my flame! Me too, me too. That was terrifying. We are just around the corner from there. We're gonna get some food and probably just go home, honestly. It was a pretty good day. The meet was pretty I'm gonna be honest, but it's still awesome to get out and ride with friends and just have a good time all around. But with that being said though, we're gonna wrap up the video here. Do not forget, we are launching merch. Merch is going to be launched by the time this video comes out. Make sure you guys head over there, grab yourself a piece of merch. Once again, the first 50 people that buy merch so the first 50 orders, they're going to be entered in to win a prize that's it's around $400 to $500. So go ahead and make sure you check that out. With that being said though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.